Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Fiji Fabric Manager Chair. Features. The Fiji Fabric Manager Chair fuses a bold geometric design with curved elements for a softer look and is perfect for use in the meeting room or boardroom, or even at the desk end for impromptu meetings. The cushioned geometric backrest with ergonomic lumbar sculpture supports you as you sit. The seat pad is contoured for comfort and features a waterfall seat front to help ease pressure on the legs and aid circulation. The integral padded headrest area helps to support the head and neck. The tilt mechanism is operated by the left-hand lever. Pull the lever up to unlock the mechanism and allow the chair to float freely. Push the lever down again to lock the chair into the required position. The hand wheel at the front of the chair adjusts the tilt tension to suit your body weight. Turn clockwise to increase the tension and anti-clockwise to reduce it. The tighter this is set, the more tension is created when free-floating. For a more ergonomic experience, set the tension control to suit your body weight and unlock the tilt to encourage body movement throughout the day. By lifting the right-hand lever up, you can adjust the seat height to your ideal position. This chair is supplied with fixed height curved armrests, which are topped with matching arm pads for comfort. The upholstery coordinates perfectly with the classic silver frame, armrests and 5-star base. The base is also fitted with handy foot plates, providing a comfortable foot position. The Fiji is fully upholstered in a choice of blue, black or wine fabric. The chair comes with a TUV and BIFMA-tested gas lift and supports users up to 110 kilograms, 17.3 stone. Foams are fire retardant to British Standard BS 5852, Level 0, 1 and 5, and fabrics to EN 1021, Parts 1 and 2. The Fiji comes complete with a 2-year manufacturer's guarantee for up to 8 hours use per day, so you can buy with confidence. Available from stock and delivered flat-packed or fully assembled on a free next day or day of choice delivery service from Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.